7 hectares. So, 7 ka hektarya guys. Tax deck. Tax declaration. Located still in Tuburan, Cebu. Antipolo. Ano yung Antipolo, Tuburan, Cebu. So, overlooking to the sea. Unya guys, ang atong road is not yet developed. So, all you have to do is to bring off-road car or motorcycle during site inspection. Pero nindot kayo ni guys, no? Ang sana po itong produkto dire. So, ganina no, atong i-vlog ang with coconut trees, daghan kay lubi niya, sunod daghan sag mangga. Kini sad, wala gitanom, puro mga labong. Pero, anapog man ni guys, pwede ni ipakwari ni mo. So, mo ni produkto niya. Then, you can convert this into a rest house or subdivision development because it's really an overlooking to the sea and just few minutes drive from the beach. Beach kanang liguanan. Kanang beach nga kuan lain. So, kanang liguanan. So, that mountain is included according to our guide, no? Appeal na siya, guys. Then, as we proceed, no? Okay, taas di ka video. Pagandam na lang mo daan. 10 minutes. So, mga na siya, guys. Naghinay-hinay mo rin ni hangal na ko gamayan, eh. Pero, at least, ako yung gilantaw, no? Kung sina dito. So, very nice yun para nako, no? Nice, maginitanan na itong mga property for sale. Now, this road is a barangay road going to the highway ni guys, pero wa pa lagi gi-develop. So, mana nga kung musuod ta dire, habilin na dito sa parkingan sa motor. Then, we can see the whole lot by walking. Ato rang lakawon para makita ang tanan. So, okay kaayo guys. So, still Tuburan is northern part of western part of Cebu province, no? Then approximately 2 to 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran 2 to 3 hours drive from Cebu City. Sorry. Unsa naman ni Bohol ang Cebu magud ni atong i-market, guys. Sorry gid kayo ha. Ni ata diri sa we are here at Tuburan, Cebu, western part of Cebu province facing Negros Island. So isla sa Negros ang ato ang kuan nagyatubangan. So mana siya guys, no? Then very nice. So by the way guys, atong i-shout out ni atong mga uban nga kuan, no, mga subscriber, pareha nilang Black Studio. Salamat sa pag subscribe. Yummy Wanderer. Ya patoy bike tayo. Shout out po nako, no. Ya kini po si Books di Books, Bisaya man ni siya pero di ko kasabot murag unsa man niyang kuan eh. Ya, Will see. Na si Will see. Shout out po ko nimo sir. I think he is a foreigner po, no, watching our video. So this is a good place, sir. But you need to develop, no, because it's a rolling terrain then overlooking to the sea. The size is 7 hectares or 70,000 square meters at 100 pesos per square meter. So meaning it is a sa istorya, no, it is really a mountain, no, mountain na siya guys, no. It's a mountain lot with an overlooking sea view to the sea. So bukid yun siya guys, dili po ningong kuan patag, bukid yun siya. Pero ang nakanindot man god guys, if you can develop this one, it's really a good place. No, it's not far from the National Highway. So dili kayo layo, no. And this road is a permanent road already. If the government will start to develop to this road, maybe the property will expand its price. Don't worry because it's tax declaration. The owners is the one selling. So according to the people around, which is also I think they are relatives, according to them, that is their share. So mao na siya guys, no? So mo discuss nagbalik sa tax declaration guys, no? Kanang in reality man good sa mga sinunod nga yuta, those inherited properties usually are tax declaration. So there are ways to confirm if this is really a legitimate tax declaration owned by a certain person. So you need to trace back, no? Trace back, family tree, ana na siya guys. Di ka mailad, ato ning imarites og maayos mga silingan, sila bagyod ang tag-iya. So that's the one way, no? And many more ways to identify the ownership of a property. So daghan guys, mga pamaagi. Number one, you can use us for due diligence. So, mga ingani nako na kamausad mo due diligence, although mga ahente mi, mga brokers, kamao na sad kinagmay, di sa dinagko. Pingon lang ko, nariyo ragod ta. We know how to due diligence, how to identify if the property is really legit property. So, aloy sa Ginoo for my 10 years, no? More than 10 years, sa town ko na ilad, no? I have turned over all the properties I sold to the buyers, so, no? Aloy sa Ginoo, purya palayo lang, pito kalawod, no? So, mao gyud na guys. So, mo na nga ako, dili ko bahadlok. I'm not afraid in selling tax declaration. Although uban are others are really getting afraid because there are so many scam in real estate. But like us, real estate license, so we are protecting our name also. So that's the situation. So let's continue guys, no? We are already at the top, almost at the top, no? Of the property, and that the mountain, according to my guide, that is included. So if you can develop this into a residential overlooking mountain residential houses, so like what the other developers did, so it's really a very nice, no? Very nice. So approximately mga 1 kilometer from the main concrete road, then that is already the beaches, kanang liguanan ba, dagat. So that is the sea already, or shoreline. So ano siya guys, no? So nindot kayo, no? When I go on the top, it's really very nice. See view. Against the light lang akong camera guys because it's already around 5 p.m. So it's sunset. You can enjoy the sunset. So that is very nice location. So I repeat, no, 7 hectares or 70,000 square meters at 100 pesos per square meter. So 7 million ni guys. Kung naa kay 7 million na sa bangko na tulog, you can buy this because this is very affordable and very cheap. And later on, you can convert this into a big amount of property once you sold or resell. Okay. So, I go back to shout out, no? Bike tayo. Sir, I shout out now. So, ako nagikang gi-shout out, sir. Yan, napamantidaghan. Sige lang. So, more properties for sale. Soon. Daghan patag mga baligya, guys, no? So, I repeat, no, this is total of 7 hectares. 70,000 square meters. And this is already the road. nearby roads, sa mga 1 kilometer gid siguro. Yeah. As you can see, there are already, this is along shoreline. Nakita ng mga dagat. Okay? Again, thank you very much and God bless to all viewing. And we can process to, transfer of land title. Hapit malimpi. Salamat.